How to visualize Net Promoter Score result in Google Sheets. We will use CSAT Survey Chart to present Net Promoter result. Introduction to CSAT Survey Chart. Select CSAT Survey Chart. Select the sheet holding your data. Select Metric column. Select Dimension columns. Click on the Create Chart button. CSAT Survey Chart is created successfully. How to configure a chart. CSAT Survey Chart data requirements. 1 categorical data column that contains the question. 1 numerical data column that contains the scale values. 1 numerical data column that contains the record count values. CSAT Survey Chart can be created with different scales. Detractors, score 0 to 6, are unhappy. Neutrals, score 7 to 8, are satisfied but unenthusiastic. Promoters, score 9 to 10, are loyal and enthusiastic. You can change ranges of promoters, neutrals, and detractors. Important: CSAT Survey Chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the right. Select CSAT Survey Chart. Select the sheet holding your data from Sheet Name dropdown. Note: Header row checkbox is checked because data contains header row. Select Metric Count. Select Dimension Question. Select Dimension Scale. You can set row range using the slider, or manually set value in start row and end row text boxes. Currently we will select all rows. When all required selections have been made, the Create Chart button will become active. Click on the Create Chart button. CSAT Survey Chart is created successfully. You can create this chart for different scales. For example, from scale 0 to 5. Click on the Create Chart button. By default, chart is created for scale 0 to 10. To create chart for scale 0 to 5, we will change ranges for detractors, neutrals, and promoters. How to edit a chart. Click on the Chart Settings button to change the chart settings. Click on Scale section to change the range of detractors, neutrals, and promoters. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the Chart Header pen to edit the properties. Click on the Font Style section to change the font style and size of chart header. Click on the Bar Inner Label Properties pen to change the position of the bar labels. Click on the Save button. How to export a chart. Click on the Export button to export chart in JPG, PNG, SVG, or PDF. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to add a chart to a sheet. Click on the Add Chart to Sheet button to add chart image in sheet. How to install ChartExpo add-on. Click on the Extensions menu. Install ChartExpo add-on. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-on is software that adds new features into Google Sheets. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-on is installed, it should display an Extensions menu. Click on the Charts, Graphs and Visualizations by ChartExpo. Click on Open sub-menu. Click on the Add New Chart button. Select a chart from ChartExpo Charts list. We appreciate your business, thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.